मोई साहब कई दफा ये होता है कि यू आर टॉकिंग और आप अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बता देते हैं, but the other person is not ready to listen to you, and they have some very fixed ideas, and before you can even try and explain, they come up with their own point of view, and it's like a shut up call to you, you know, this is it, and you just keep quiet. In situations where should you just keep quiet as a learner and just listen to them, or as you say, it's not a debate, so you don't need to retort. What is the best way of maintaining a conversation with both people can talk and without trying to justify yourself, but explaining yourself, explaining your point of view?
It's important, Ji, because we cannot control the other person's attitude. It is very important that the other person should also be involved in the conversation. If the other person is not interested in listening and just wants to, make his or her point to us, let's take that point and find out if we learn anything out of that, because, and we can ask any clarifying questions if there are any. But if you feel that that feeling should be based on some present reason, not on a past experience only. But if you feel that the person is not willing to listen to you, you don't have to make your point, because you'll be wasting your breaths, you'll be wasting your efforts. No need to do that. But can you gain something out of that? Whatever points that the other person has made to you, do you think you can learn anything out of that? If you can, it's a net gain. And if the other person would be willing to listen to you, I'm sure that it will be a net gain for the other person as well. But if he's not, we can't force the other person to do what we consider to be the right thing to do.